So take a look at this really fun interactive dog toy here. Thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So this is in the shape of an acorn here. It is all silicone here. It's nice and soft. Feels really nice, high quality. Up here you've got the ridges there, so it's good for their teeth to help clean it. It's nice and soft, safe for them to chew. There's a small hole here. That's where their treats are going to come out. To open it, just pop it off like that. You can put the treats inside. You can use this as a bowl for slow feeding or for water as well. And then just fill it up with some small snacks. So you can take some small snacks like this, put them in there, close it up, and then your dogs will have a really fun time playing with that and trying to get the snacks out. It'll keep them busy and entertained as well, and then they get a snack out of it as well.